Bachi some aniti and a Jumedia woody piano. Ube here, sir ube chat a home infony at the atoho. Ope Jumekwa or ye a pabane, the band live streaming, video coverage, and now pictures on one. And you'll be PR City Event Masters. And internet say ye a year, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any near a kikan where you Jumedia fashibia. To chum, oh my home, true for so 0594 603 869. Show me track kwaye. Ewa abeka La Paz. A free pipe quantum soa. Eye papa die. And no one City Event Masters. Bachi some aniti and a Jumedia woody piano. Ube here, sir ube chat a home infony at the atoho. Ope Jumekwa or ye a pabane, the band live streaming, video coverage, and now pictures on one. And you'll be PR City Event Masters. And internet say ye a year, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any near a kikan where you Jumedia fashibia. To chum, oh my home, true for so 0594 603 869. Show me track kwaye. Ewa abeka La Paz. A free pipe quantum soa. Eye papa die. And no one City Event Masters.
But too much GHS so Afric Media so Sans and Adam channel. Maybe I'll show you here. It talk to say, and I ask not see it, not just say, and someone a dick na a dissay church the much show, and my own yat in more enthusiasm and anything, and I got not say. And a day, dear, a camera say, Ujabi a deli butu, our Asantehene, a free a year or two for and so, and a baby pay happy before I catch it. Derby, I come here, say, BBL Cosso or Muntem. Now, a year lawyer Lawrence Ampao, Aquacosu, a jar at your room, ama, or two for any astro say, call, order for, and some day a moo a rammy pa, and a day. You have a church of Sonia sending an followed by Eddie at the end, ya, bobo eba. Order for time could trade. I buy a share video, a year lawyer, and the two jar and internet, ama or two for any abresa.
Shanty chiefs, more in front of more Shanty regional problems. Any Yamamudi, you 2 car bread. Asantehene, I will be, we are conform, move to tall, assassin money for Bakumin, a diamond for Sika, a diamond for girls, a diamond for Yeremo, Yama Mutia Santa region, I have for Nubi, and yet to Galamsey. In some one would deal at Santa region. Maybe number of time to me. How can I to me? What kind of nonsense is that? What kind of nonsense is that? Nema Mudi you 2-4. They built to Shamu near 2B. Now you how this last year alone, Shahin for 2-4 a 2. They built to Shamu. You see, Mugu in Masi. Yes, Mugu or 2-4 is worried about your behavior. Namuti other politicians, Yamadia. Number the more frame. FF want to be over now, what I want to be bad. Then I'm going to my Mokuna now, Mube Jenny now. What do you mean?
No, Crabana was my working.
Okay, I mean, I'm going to you, so you be a take after me. I'm going to fix you. And so that the memory of the answer. I'm going to
wow.
Everything that I've said will be subject to proof before the candidate council.
And you still stand by your words.
Right there, I don't want to tell you that I still stand by words. Because Monday is just no. Sunday now appear on your program. Oh, Sunday not fire, but the topic is not what we carry. Sunday not fire.
Yeah.
Yes, some meaning can't be a view. Wuntumi before the man or because not man has come in the Catholic say, when you come here, Wuntumi the but the mistake for you say, oh, Jamano, oh, compete, should be a medical evidence. Neither me, you make your that is why I said Sunday not fire. To be fair, Sunday now, no Monday, no, but don't you I just shit. The Bible says, put on the whole hammer of God. And then one of the things that is the truth. What's that truth now? Now you shit. Now you salt. People did not want. You know about so much. I say to me, and the number of the Put your fire. Your boy, by you. If the minute may talk with immediate of one because yeah, eminent sister, they want to find out and find out whatever I said. You cannot prove it. Number one, have I regretted? Number two, not patrol, me patrol. These are the issues before them. So, but I don't want to criticize the matters before them. But I'm going with confidence. That is me. I'm very confident and I'm highly spirited. I wish you proper cannot put it to after the Monday to carry those room. And
class as a content.
What does the commission say? With the work of your feeling.
What is your interesting character? You are an interesting character.
Let's see, Brahim, I won't say that. Let's see, Brahim, when you say who could you say in the court? I will educate you. Share. Let me give you one fight to be at.
Hey, woman.
Oh, no, some fight I be much here. Oh, yeah, it's a sign of victory. It's a sign of victory.
Hey.
It's a make
but you surprised me. What surprised me?
What surprised me? And I say, your phone, to be a person as if how many years can be a and I'll call you be and you're cooking. That is a transfer. Also, a runner of 32. Plow. She can drop on Tracy. On Tracy. I said, no, but I make traditional cancer. Traditional cancer also, there are rules and regulations. I am many courts and I say, court, traditional court, not to suffer. And you need me a lawyer, not me, Yamaka. And I have also been another transfer. I saw you in a show, only in a show, no one said, I am a thing. And number two, who calls also, I saw this kind of respect. If you don't call it respect, maybe can, maybe please after a so good, that tells me who calls out Kasa, and said, but you party in the two of you. It's the memory with someone who broke it. Hey, you. Either you win or you lose. That's my spirit.
Oh, can some go who we are not just what you become.
I said, we come to me here. The young man did it.
Because what's it? I am for boys in a case. I am for you be my one.
We're going to go to the meeting of the matter.
Yeah.
What do you say? What do you say? On my show, I've taken every institution. Your show, every institution. My deal is going down.
Okay.
Look at my past record. My fellow will be able to answer the way because it's about to be able to. And then my kingdom may be a police for, soldier for, a judge for, let me tell you the 4 crowns, so people get the crowd, with the new I dealt with Supreme Court judges. The Supreme Court have dealt with judges. No, me and the client, me, check. Only some can say, judges will be crap on him, ma. So, only some can say, hey, no, pal. And I want that, because we didn't hear. When she be here.
Yeah.
Only anything. Also say, when they do time, that's the time.
Aye.
That's yeah.
Aye.
The same way with Dennis, you give bribe, and not just to do by the
exactly.
Good. It's your opinion only about that. Or best way.
I am for the slow and himself. I want to be minded that.
Oh, being the other bit slow. Military, a mason would be back, no cohort. My real okay. My real amount for guests. Because I'm not forgetting that you know, let's see, you know, the Pibia, a better of all country.
Aye.
You are not for you more. Who really has to always again about it? So, a mason dear, never find your because nobody born baby beer. And you see, when I'm talking, I don't talk. Listen, I didn't use it. Who the cafe? My friend, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Wow. Wahini bi obi awon so onwi obi get that.
Na some the boss Asantehene my you so much ata unu besi. Many to mean say oba since we can even gasu. Na ina wo to we am daga o interview me no. O ma wa ju asase so Shanty chiefs, more ahemfo more Shanty regional. Problems any nyama mudi yotumfo. Otumfo ka bre. Asantehene mo ahemfo bi mo ya krofo mo to to asase mani pa ba ko bi no nsa. Ediamanfo sika, awiamanfo girls.
Ama no ewo ahemfie no na aso no lawyer krampo edi na no disem eba betu dwane na kire se ade a ne kasa mafo na se nipa na o kasa ema no a enyina ni me se chairman Wuntumi a honorable anase Mr. Bernard Inchibo Siakono sabri ya ye kasa die sebe oda ayare mpaso a oja ayare hwe enye saade ana anka ono ankasa ene beba bonten ede na no disem aba betu dwa na esusu we na ne kasa mafo die na kire se ono ena o ka bi ede ama na nti bebi obi anom yes right nyame ho ahoden se ebeboa no no akasa no ne ho ato no no otimi awako fesi otumfo na ensem we nyina ema ne ho mene so ema ne ti so no ade ayate emi bi se ade a lawyer ampa se onu de onshuro pia se wa wo se ye ani ti no hako chrom emra se ahemfie ye de emra ena edi asem na se de amamre ene amanye ene dia edru ha ena yebehu me sa ka Mr. Bruce Elfidiem Hano, Meneno and Edgerton Common. Mr. Bruce upon
yeah.
You see, I have a talk here now, so
some more.
And then I'll come from home.
Me, I mean, Empire, Sana, me, who send American, but only me make our tea for you be your hay. The Biano, I send me, I make him say, who fear him, fear. Who both said, as some now, lawyer Paukano, a dangerous statement.
Okay.
Yes. The Biano say, or Henny Yadia, a or Henny I can. Also, start or say, or two for him for, and I'm more yes. In the first place, now you saying, said, or two for, or whom ye, and answer two for an argument of him, say, oh, Munia, ne money and Sana's officer or portrait, so one as one. Besides, I want your honey. It won't to make him for some a tradition, or he no to make or hinasem, or he no two or hinafo. And yet, Obiaka cannot offer or hinabisi on the same two for. And in the first place, no, a foot on all manner, get the right place to be at. Only my fear sama, Yankasa. No matter the second point is. Oh, but why him fear? As I say, a traditional customary laws now.
Okay.
Different from your constitutional laws are on unimono. Two different things. You might be a lawyer, but going to traditional places are different from going to courts.
Okay.
Because almost some be one man. A do be na your patent in they resort to what we call spiritual stuff. A do a gunsa, a do a cantam, and all that. It's what to me. My feeling say because you are a lawyer and you assume say you go and mesmerize them with your laws and all that, it will work. Trust me, most of them are even lawyers.
Okay.
And they are also traditionalists. It's all tuning now. Wow, they be a courtman now. It's when they lawyer power.
It's no ye betimi aka ne say wa ahemfie no emrana ye nim say Ghana man no enduo so ana.
Not entirety. And ebi so one man I from the one cancer no enya sanity here.
Okay.
My education kakra wa ha. The laws of Ghana obia share constitution as including Otumfo.
Okay.
And no doubt obia share say. Number 2, Otumfo betimi aka to say adwuma bi e wo kumase me pesa wo ye. E wo ho. Insase ne Otumfo they just say just as in Kransas here Gama Chadia.
Okay.
I have for the custodians of the land.
Okay.
Say abai pebia, abai kwasra mo no omo di amano. But at the same time, constitution, no, a man can say you can banish somebody, you can banish. And also, as much as your mom the respect, sir, time now I'll banish, it doesn't really happen. Because constitutionally, it will happen. But the way to me, I say, what I know is assassin, major assassin. When do man was on a major? Yes. And looking at only traditional. Ebia power AD we are but constitutionally we are all one.
Okay.
The laws of Ghana any kesiye any ketwa. Obia equal before the law. That's what the constitution says. But practically in a bar you would different thing.
Okay.
It's traditionally your friends say chief's role that say you defining ye. The powers of a chief in the constitution are limited.
Okay.
The constitution powers in are vested in the bosom of what? The president. The president has what we call an absolute power. But the chiefs and traditional rulers are limited.
Okay.
So me buy him feel me be asama. Now me born you so I met him there higher courts.
Okay.
Me go be asama. Judgment here the remember your judgment one it overturns whatever has been done at the chief palace. What did I mean I say? So as much as almost says and all that, constitution, a more clear-cut power.
Okay.
But yeah, who said traditionally, you know you go here for. Eti, or hidden flower, a so-called, or hidden cancer, a jamate, and all that. But constitutionally, that is not what it is.
Okay.
Yes.
It's natural say or hidden po edifua. Wuntumi enka n'animu
There be. Who say, yeah, no, Sabe, no, you pop cake. Penny, only penny, a casama. Not even the penny, no, edify, yeah, come with the penny, say, would you fall? Yabeka say, okay, you see a Genaba. Yabai, Yabeka chair, who are Colanse, Yabotre, maybe a some young castle. You know, quite enough, Yabeka penny, and young company, and you will walk on him.
Okay.
What I say, in the same way, or any people now won't pay. There are various places that you can go and seek redress. But ultimately confronted on here, say who say now I know and yet because I think confronting me say, I didn't run to your no good son. Your whole life off.
Okay.
So I say, it is spiritually, they have power. What I say, and if it's spiritually, you who on Hinibia say, yeah, papa. Maybe say, me a palm, you didn't see your honey. But then I didn't see a Hindian no so. Men the casa no cry, I different.
Okay.
Me to men no end the agrobia na yedi. Thank you. As I said, no, I said already in a penny. As some in a person me catch na, and some me can I would trim. What I say, it means I would need dear man. Say, oh, you are penny na, or say your henny.
Okay.
It is sana, your traditional setup no it's here. You can't just go and udu be bia kana uzo bia bi wanu send ya lawyer boy. No, it doesn't happen.
Okay, it's natural say whether udifo udibimo e wo se udro hinenimu dia umelo. Sisi ana yehunu say chema Wuntumi say be odayare mpaso. Ye friend no wa himfie na wa yare ntino esa ade ya lawyer ampa isusu anso ba ni betimi enya e wo lawyer e wo chema Wuntumi eso. Asam
ne crying can we? Ye starting point afa na otumfo aba ya bono amane ama wa hu ne esiye. In the first place no owo Kumasi a kasa bi wa ayen kasa. Otumfo is an overlord in Kumasi. Otumfo kasa Asantehene da. Almost akunwa no because ye the moja energy akunwa no.
Okay.
What did I make can say? Enti wo Asante na sabe o kasa te se wo so otumi a na ese wo do otumfo no na ye prepare. Ya nya ne sa. Enti ho no ye mu asem no ba me beka cheche ma Wuntumi se wa form.
Okay.
Yes. Now, the lawyer power is not even helping the cause. And trust me, now what who say lawyer
oh, okay.
Near all can say, how are you? I get your pay. Ah, lawyer papa. I do Sakaye.
Okay.
Then Sakaye. Only, sir, as some buying Finna Yabaka. First of all, the what you call John Tuan Echo. John Tuan Pacha said, yeah, as some young Kai, but me before. Because of Nina and Nicocasson. Now, also MPP for call, only something significant. Almost say, lawyer, or you member.
Your name no.
You are carrying your name, one or can I say? Chairman Wuntumi, although MPP, you are carrying the personal staff. In effect, no MPP are running selfie as I'm no. Into a career, I have response them sacrifice here. But no patches said yes, said you Wuntumi ever be deleted. Say, we are Wuntumi.
Okay.
We are chairman of MPP.
It's a one only ne partnership, ne lordship, ne power as MPP delegates in every so.
Because we go for the buy and other patches say, as I'm not okay, and yes,
okay.
Okay, as Wuntumi. And I will have their own kind. It's a new in what capacity you are talking about. It's the same whole upon Okasama, Wuntumi Moa. As some who cannot patch say, as some want to make an awful.
Anyway, this is the evidence of their MPP for a kind.
Edwadano, Ebeka Cheno, so Wombra. I said, be excuse me for be about party near you, Wofrim, and now the idea of Ebeka. Morisampa, so party news man, party news in no, so Kabi Buho, Tonwa Nanya Nasama, Ombra, no mechanism. Madarama, Tisedia Madame Mayano, now send in Yabesa baby, Madame Wasip. Edwadano, Ebeka Cheno, so Wombra. I said, be excuse me for be about party near you, Wofrim. And now the idea of Ebeka. Morisampa, so party news man, party news in no, so Kabi Buho. Tonwa Nanya Nasama, Ombra, no mechanism. Madarama, Tisedia Madame Mayano, now send in Yabesa baby, Madame Wasip.
MPP for and I some more for no name, but unfortunately no more coy no na chairman Wuntumi and count on and no per investigation and who be a call so the trim why I dear chairman Wuntumi sabi or the IRM passo and eating the whole and shut down for no year Monday 29th of January 2024 Yame Adum Bessa Kokushim Ewa ahifo no enim na se de MPP fo no e kan ye se lawyer ampa de onam ne kwan omunim no ewo baabia na eye lawyer ampa asan so e de ensem bia ba betutudwa wo kire mu a esno otumfo amamuo ena esno MPP amamuo na ye hye ne ye mpo a eye chema Wuntumi wo tumi ewo eye political aspects ni mu e chen eye otumfo na oye Asantehene no yenti ne no munzam ne mresisia
Asantehene na no say to skeja pia. He is not a political, he doesn't have a political kingdom. So in Ashanti region, we have political kingdoms, and Wuntumi occupies a political kingdom in Ashanti region. He is the regional chairman of the largest and the ruling party. It's a political kingdom. He holds power, authority, politically. And Yaba, Kumase ha. Otumfo doesn't have political kingdom and power over Ashanti region. No. Yaba the party somewhere. Otumfo mpa ne hu remu obro or is or you above them. Omo ye dem kwala. Enti Otumfo politicians, edumama politicians, or leaving the political kingdoms and the politics to fight among themselves. And then do their own things, and then even in trying to fight among themselves and contest more. We saw Baumia coming to bless you. All the political parties, it shows say of but Wuntumi is not only a political kingdom in the Ashanti region; it's an institution. Wuntumi is an institution. There has to be an institution now. He needs to be studied. Wuntumiology. Wuntumi and we have one on our chat. I know what Otumfuo have done. My contribution 2012 Bramiti TV3. Now me a political analysis. Ashanti Hamro will be mwadie na modi subotu Otumfuo so say Otumfuo na wakwa prejudice aba yifie ema election petition no because of no confio personal hatred. Ashanti youth munye serious. I don't think some pure Ashanti youth. The real Ashanti youth no, will never do what you are doing. And then who? And some groups na nano money that we know and I can report it to that day or say Ukraine na what Kumasia I so chain nana Seja. There is no kingdom. We have only one kingdom in Ashanti region. But we know we have kingdoms. We have political kingdoms. Otumfuo is not a political kingdom. Asantehene na no say to two skeja piao. Asantehene na no say to two skeja piao. He is not a political. He doesn't have a political kingdom. So in Ashanti region, we have political kingdoms, and Wuntumi occupies a political kingdom in Ashanti region. He is the regional chairman of the largest and the ruling party. It's a political kingdom. He holds power, authority, politically. And Yaba Kumase ha. Otumfuo doesn't have political kingdom and power over Ashanti region. No. Yaba the party somewhere. Otumfuo mpa ne hu remu obro or is or you above them. Omo ye dem kwala. Enti Otumfuo ja politicians, eduoma politicians, or leaving the political kingdoms and the to fight among themselves, and then do their own things, and then omu win abeli ria. Even in trying to fight among themselves and contest more. Omu nya ba beji shina for Otumfuo. We saw Baumia coming to bless you. All the political parties, some back Kumasia, na. It shows say of him. But Wuntumi is not only a political kingdom in the Ashanti region, it's an institution. Wuntumi is an institution. There has to be an institution now. He needs to be studied. Wuntumiology. And we have one on our chat. I know what Otumfuo have done. My contribution 2012 Bramiti TV3. Now me a political analysis. Ashanti Hamro will be mwadie.
Other for natural say Kamia say a lawyer Lawrence Ampono on yen address or for as a son address afa some now or the two genre because according to some or the two Janet said this is a political affairs and it's in all here say Otumfuo and then for you. Mr. Bruce, yet here in some a year lawyer, Edia to Julia. Me pass one and I still now was sent Otumfuo and then I see from
a very unfortunate statement. Meaning, it's a lawyer or Casasa. I hope, say, he's in the right frame of all his, faculties, or the Casa Assembly because this is a very dangerous stuff.
Yes.
Now, let me try and educate people small.
Okay.
Constitutionally, Wuntumi is not even recognized in the constitution.
Exactly.
No party chairman, even the national chairman, is not recognized in our constitution. But if you go to the constitution, you have Otumfuo and paramount chiefs.
Yeah.
Even the paramount chiefs, he's singled out. I don't want to sound like I'm confronting him, but the way all Casano, he needs to be, toned down. No, I won't say educated. He's a highly qualified lawyer. I can't educate him. But anybody be all can. I don't know if a preference for Wuntumi to all Casasa. Wrong is wrong. Wuntumi is not a legacy. Wuntumi is an institution. Wuntumi is ordinary. Your friend is a regional chairman. Ordinary. Not even a national chairman. Okay. What I say? Even constitution no say there na yama party chairman and general secretary echo cabinet no. And you're wrong. It's not enshrined in the constitution. Because yama Wuntumi yama Ekufuado Wuntumi yama MPP for Wuntumi. Okay. He wrote on the back of MPP, but also when one swore as MPP, he swore as well Ekufuado. Him. It will be BNC. We hold him responsible. In the same way, whatever contribution Wuntumi has done for MPP is a MPP yourself. It's not even Ghana's thing.
Okay.
But what's the answer? Now, Asantehene, my young man Kwanchi Kakra, 2000 election, I can walk Besu Ghana. Asantehene, Fred, JJ, and before, I meeting. And on my tempest back down. Fast forward, 2016, was some Fred, John Mahama, and Akufuado. He has been behind the scenes, making sure that there's what we call peace and stability in Ghana.
Exactly.
This is what we call an institution. That is what we call a legacy. Time man, Kufuor ya no pe IMF, so I'm guarantee what we call HIPIC status. Kufuor with all his government and people of Ghana went, and the IMF boss said, I can't do that. It took the intervention of the Ashanti king Otumfuor because not IMF with your friends, classmates.
Okay.
Oh no, to do the name of IMF. I said IMF, HIPIC, for those who don't know. That is what we call an institution. Institution, it changing the dynamics of the whole society. Wuntumi has not changed any dynamics of any society.
No.
He has changed his own dynamics.
Okay.
He might have his radio station, TV station, and whatever, but that is what his own dynamics. What I'm talking about institution means that the king has changed the fundamental dynamics of Ghana on so many occasions. You can't tell me, sir, and Asantehene, who is Wuntumi? He's nobody. Trust me.
Okay.
He is just a regional chairman for Christ's sake. Then I make catch him and say, what MPP, I'm from Wuntumi best party. I told them.
Okay.
What I said, because you see, an utterances. First of all, you're a chairman, you're a father. Wuntumi has no business. Say, Obako Jina contender BH. Oh yes, sir. What you are doing is that you are breathing your own one. You are digging your own grave. Because when we near, how do you even go to the person?
Okay.
And that you're too about. Even you lose your crowd, to build a united party. What I say? Yeah, Kasa say, yeah, say. Wuntumi and Kennedy, serious issue. It's Wuntumi. How do we even go to Yera Kennedy and tell him, say, come and help us? You can't. Udi popularity and giddy no. See, come you Wuntumi. How you do that? Other regional chairmen, they were silent.
Yeah.
Because one thing show him, you don't need to be loud. And your first time man, the utterances are overboard in here. But it's getting too much.
Yeah.
Now MPP, the sooner they put their feet down, I'm saying, catch and say, Omra. No. Wuntumi like so say Monday one man and your mobile, it means that your party they disown you.
So how come said Wuntumi affected MPP stronghold Ashanti region?
Thank you. Now all can sound or your bargain man so who said this year Nakasan and number MPP.
Okay.
No matter Ashanti is the stronghold of MPP, whether you like it or not.
Yes.
Say MPP and we need more than 70% of Ashanti, they have won an election every time. Now, Ashanti for the person baby who want to be. It's a Sanda who can also bring a kurani. It's a bargain man or Casso Begama or share a Sam Sanwaka. Okay, okay, in the crown. Immediately, you could have even gone to Manhyia silently because only I have a fight and see them anaga. Oh, where the power job, where the Casabin the buyer, now a honor more quiet. But oh, bench now lawyers what can say, yeah, that means you are ready for the battle. But this battle, he can win. Trust me, he can win.
Okay, this is the way I am common air to check on I said the station is at stake because they have issued an authority to air Asantehene. Bantama, Omohene, say Wuntumi station or Omo breaking it down.
Say, America said, the laws of Ghana, you can't banish.
Yeah.
But there's something that the chiefs can do. Asantehene media. Me or media. It's why do man was no? Yeah, do man not before Masase.
Okay. So the baby matem.
Thank you. One company mining in your mind for in our major massage. How do you run? Sometimes kasa. Obi na you say crowd obi an in who. Obi an in who because you always need somebody to step on. It's a kasa. Now what for my your kasa the kasa your phone. But what for my yes and quickly you move in and apologize. You don't come on air and start throwing tantrums and saying, I have not Pema. I have for Pema. Go to you. No, I will go to you. Isn't that crime to go after women?
That's not. On him, they were saying, I will live a good life.
I have put the opportunity. It's like in Solomon, 300 wives, you know, and 700 concubines. It's allowed.
Okay.
So, Ubejana put the assembly as serious as this. Now, lawyer. I am highly disappointed in lawyer power. Because of my land, 24 Adobre. When you are Cassandra by, when you are near you remember your Bakoto, near down your patch out. Okay, well, yeah, what kill your assembly before you go in there? But your baby was sausage. Now, when you have the camera back on, you have to chat time, what your baby nearly or famo. What book to the one who said to your baby?
And your Monday,
I to your baby.
It's a Mundi Chi na young girl. I because so Kyle say city event masters or more and also your snare Jimmy a channel of Fred will be Bibia or Shay a war. So your wedding engagement party and the manager we you pa. And so yeah, no one to say at the affray and I will be chat at the mama city event masters no. Touch your mom match for you so 0594 603 869. Baby I will be a so abrutre Ghana Hifan or Shay. Friend, you got so at show. Where every and Jones was a more some power pa. It's for his food. Foolish son of Asantehene here. You are with your stupidity for voting for NPP. That's on the old my NPP for now. Asantehene, you voted my NPP for a young party.
And also, yeah, two of the bar. And you'll be and all can I say. Yeah, or you'll be not and the party has even said. We don't even follow this. It's a party that you want to. So don't go and insult tribe. I don't like that.
Okay.
Assembly ye come and say gamanche. Eka asem na oka asem na me ne nya adwimpo na me pese me ka bia. E wo we ya meka me di ni die be ma na ansa na asem no maka.
Okay.
What did I make say gamanche onu na o sake na hemfo a enya me na me ba be ka kire no nya hemfo na ye because he's old enough. He has the traditional power to do what he's doing. It's a young number and I want to that's not me to because me know hene. I on here the car on him asem. Or here the crowd or here the 20 minute car or here the penny asem. What did I make I say? Sebe, what can he fear that? And I him say I fear tia. And can me sure say lawyer Uncle Becca say. What he is he has moved big time. And trust me, obey who the other side of Ghana on Monday. Because I want to do a traditional law. And I remember ball. The last time I may call in California, baby, I would be a sam no. Nana Brown said Nana Brown, no, guy be I say also by part with. Hey, you see, me call her now, me pump and phone and they won't be a sam. Listen, God. Say you when you're for Ghana say. Okay? Me, personally, I think the laws of Ghana has been unfair to the chiefs. So we share a junior and him for work, especially the people almost and the way every day now I was amazed at the level of what intelligence of this man. Minimum their education background, but they are so intelligent. Said, oh, they are saying, now after no be able to. Oh, I told you, yeah, they do all the side. It says, I then laws need you or yeah, pony kakra, am free? No more authority kakra. Thank you, because some of assembly will want man, and yet things that we can solve at home. Obia soon. When your police are sent, when your prison are sent, but what the sir at the end man, now your book assembly, you say, Pramantem wa. Officer Ghana, I can't get clean. When you answer, oh, authorities say, Ubu assembly ye sick. Obia to me for court beer. Assembly see your book. I can't cases and can solve it. Only a prison to go for I can save you. Obi, a common dinner, what couple batch. Now, lawyer, Shannon, you might judge, Shannon, or say, couple 10 years. Who are a wicked man? I'm telling you. Common dinner. Now, me share US, Philby. Now, lawyer, need 2 or more, or you say, and before you let it here, I can't want you, or be on $10. You know this kind of some man, you pass away, come on the dinner. You see, that's what we call human face. Okay. And yes, a man who wants to the piano, I say that them brand yet, man. And who house, I deal with you, and you come the dinner. And yes, Sabi, in the Guapayo, it's not because a traditional form, who bell here, was a talent. Ghana is missing a lot, I'm telling you. Now, for the peace in Ghana, no. Me say if not be for our chiefs, I can't call it that. I'm telling you. And yet, MPP NDC, they always want to fight. But him for no always stand in the middle. And say, peace. It is a walk aside. Like I tell you, say, Wuntumi institution. I don't know what you want to say.
Nice, anyway, you know, I say, I have for no omoya dear. Na yenti memufuo no yenti asie na kwaya ye fa so a ye ne omo ka no eya na enkoyi inti no se ohene adi bone na atimamuni ye pese ye ka na enim no ye kwai ben so na ebetimi afa etwi ohene de ye kwaya nkwa na nim ba ye won kofo mu si ohene ye won kofo mu tu ohene fo ti se ahema ne empelifo no mo ho no se woni ohene nya asem first of all ye fa mba bedwem okay. Why he never do girl I found my bigger. Oh, company for no what your petition there too. No more fraud, he didn't walk no more Cassandra him. Oh, we are chopping the wire, you're one near their brow. Because you see, the dignity of our chiefs say to Tunasia, Ghana bo. Okay. Now, idea the holy Ghana ye are so free. There's also for nobody before you in me. It's a sorry feels say who suffer kwa na usro se say o suffer ka sama ki se castle ka sama ko fontie but tu for kasa ko fontie gama te kasa ko fontie I do papa togbe we o kasa ko fontie it means say your institution bia ese me na we are preserve sa we institution no and you say your ma obi e kasa tia because dey bia me say ese nya bibia and you so say den no mo ba mu a yes o Oma ba mu kwa no ano no. Oman bia endi saade ni bi no oman ne bo. Okay. I'm telling you. Eti saade na nyame oman ye ahemfo no e ya de ese protect omo. Okay. Omo ye nipa de omo fom. But ohine fom a enye wo na ba ko ka tell so wo hine we de because asem we no. Ye kasa sa sabe ukwa himfie na ohine kasa. Na bia se na okan no enye no kura. Wuntumi kan ye so ohine we de ba cho oboa. Ukasa obetwagan wan kasa yi enti asema ye kan wo efie no ye kasa asem wo ahemfie and Saturday no has been idea a preserve Ghana ebia na wo kwa ahemfie da but say America me dem fi ahemfie timinim say ya ohene ka me uncle manfe hene o kasa do oye ya uncle no o start so kasa pe so bia ye din o kan ya o kan wie asa Umpo asa. Sa na how much more otumfo? Otumfo ka say you umpo asa. What you mean say? And that dignity na ye dem and ekura Ghana up to now. Enti me pa cho lawyer pa. When there, one nye ni ye, me but when there, enko ye me, wo ya ade wo ye me nia, one ye because one ye ni ye. Sir. Me pa le cho onko no me dey, immediately no. Onka apology and send a man dey net. Esa your back will not be. Okay. Now you see kind of say city event masters adaroma and I will share your with bia o share e wo yada master say mugo so e kaya ho and it's no ye party engagement wedding ade biara e fa nhemu ade hu bia no make sure so beto achire ma true for you so 0594603869 and na omubetwa wagudie no enfama fefefe na me bisa sisi ano e come here say a political institution and I say political parties no omo di to me bi ashom nsem eni ti no sisi ano omani emu omodwe e kwa be so na ebetimi afa eputu omo in the right place unse na se na metie biera ese educatia ewo YX whatever okay say me as it's true the powers of the presidency is too much political power is too much what do you mean
politicians because you have absolute power in Tina or Muyama no Moyano. There be a say that you may power it's never president system. You don't go for they will even run for what? Presidency.
Okay.
America, president you do go for 2 no run it 2 3 no run it. Because Sikabia Yakunyano. Sikabia ni chichine krono. And yes Sika wona wo baba bedio. But Ghana Sikani na tam akunyano. Etara it's meaning some me chima to the 10th generation have secured their lives.
Okay.
Marie, I know the Ghana, some ye win. Because Ghana, they be say, any yentina be but lost na ye koyeno. I think when they say change 2000. But you will 2024. And this law is still here. What are we doing about it? The political power na the politician should be removed. I said you get that time. Or say even appointees like IGP, CJ, Parliament. Law the party said President Oba, you 50% free one. And you still say the Parliament is what independent?
No.
What are you talking about? Say me and Yaba Parliament, me say my really party me as well. Wait, but you are parliamentarian, you are just what supposed to enact law.
Yeah.
You don't do anything again. It's telling the president no any pa bebre wo Ghana when you be say esa osanko panuna osanko yi bi wo. Executive is too powerful. Okay. Now a high time I say a downsizing what the executive and yes Ghana ya go so that. Okay,
see with this issue where abano a bit me ama NPP for or my bemo during the election and ama about one also so ebe ko etiom.
Who say you will be a friend first step. First step na MPP voya no. General Secretary is smart. Okoya no omakoyo mo afim. It's Monday. Say chairman Wuntumi kwa okoka na asem. Asem na chairman beka wo ho no. Eno na ebe determine the fate of the MPP in that Ashanti region.
And it's not chairman na ebe.
Thank you. Say oko na ne poster ne ye obi a manumi ho. Asem a meka man kan ye nana mi kura wo namu. When the yes me kasa sa the pacho me lawyer ne kwanyem na me kasa on kasa o kan nyam so nya won o kana so e won yi ni ma ai ono no kana sa
na Judas
me kwa na mu o kasa ya I from go for is an bibia twatwa but o come with the poster of maka after all constitutional say next year NPP is doomed. It's Monday will determine the fate of NPP in Ashanti region, trust me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Inti the atete nioma na ya na no ma ya ti azeze we Asantehene die na MPP na ukoma ni nyina ebe pepa.
A time will come some person ni bejai.
Okay.
Tribal politics kwasi asema esi ejai. Me agbeni metuma NDC me Asantehene metuma MPP kwasi asema the highest order. We are Ghana ni tuma Ghana.
Okay.
Why na ebe go Ghana? MPP NDC their parties they will go away. CPP Ghana see you. Where is where now? CPP now. UGCC. Now why parties be Liman when is that way? But Ghana is still Ghana. So think like a Ghanaian and stop fooling yourself thinking like your tribal way. Me Asantehene in the head, me Agbeni in the head, me Atim in the head. Are you not a Ghanaian?
Yes.
It's in your bet me Ghana. That should be the thought. And I'm glad say your generation like generation battle. That's their thinking. So who will help me? And yet my tribe, and yet my political affiliation, and yet my political affiliation. But going forward as a person, I am my maybe 18. I said my dream where should I vote for? That should be the thinking.
Okay. And this is MPP for what will be the punishment? Me a dear match and Wuntumi and my face on a lawyer.
They need to reprimand Wuntumi, if possible. Suspend him for that statement. Yeah, yes, sir. The Ashantis who said they are serious. But no die Wuntumi, trust me, Wuntumi, or best no make a crowd best to change your kind. Because of a casa, or you'll be a casa and the papa, and all casa so on you won't go see. Because casa will be a cambiano, and we always casio. Who sick now, who sees can, and I'll be chicken change. What's in America? I say, and I'll be chicken change. Then you have to say, yeah,
100 people in Africa. Billionaires, you're more than a new. Into your gun and who froze over Sika, who the way? What I said, and I got an acquire boy Sika for wood to be a more. I'm telling you, yeah, boy Sika for power Ghana, wood to be a money. It's one guy said, and I have this and I made this. Oh, wouldn't Obiboto. Debbie, I may say, Obia on Cassan, on you. But be a Debbie of Flanted, and I'm more cash only there. Casting as a granado. Then your man ought to be tricked with Big Cafe and Nasia, then one. Up it to me about $1 million, up it to $1 million, $10 million. That's so, and an asshole. Yes, who say yes. This man be man. But Obia, who flanted yet, $1 million of you, Nasia, for the Toto and Alami. Who is that? It's all Tony that. Casa is here. Udu baby, and yet the piano. You want to float this? Well, oh, your chairman. Chairman on Tiasia. Chairman means that you are a father for all. Or be above left and right, or be above the old general. Now, what to for? Sabi Assemble, over to Nababa chain, and Jack, Yamekan, and one no. Now, who could never question Assemble? Why am I making
Then you see our MP for who finds some movie to not dear so any for free one.
And when you're more imperative, Wuntumi to an election on coin. So you met me as suspended no matter re-election. That's what their law says. But maybe there to show remorse, pardon, I'm going to guess every year. I'm suspended for some time. I know it's an election year. Yeah. But open so politically smarter. Who suspended in 2 months me? So I said, no, I may apologize here, even to the party. Oh yeah, no for it. Remember, Asantehene at trouble yam. Now on what to yes, I MP is doomed.
Okay. Sisi ano yam run enya aye bianes much of comments na back open up and me so change. Make sure so the people comment section hono na make how say Sisi event masters adaroma and no maso ya sene na ye digimedi eba hono. Oh shame. Na uyobi a oye business tycoon o ton bibi anase oye bibi o pese ye ba betwa edema anase say ye yi ni anase ye live na ye ton wa de ni bo hu dero ma say na city event masters we ye guso ye bo mu dero ya na won so obetimi afa ye number na egu ase no na afa ya hwetwe nkomo na ye hu say de ye betimi abo wa de hu dero ede amount Kama. Na ye Mr. Bruce na no de sema itwato na ye de Asantehene media na so. Mr. Bruce. Edia asem na owo e ka kire Mr. Bayampa and afi so chairman Wuntumi.
Ye ra chairman. Why be am MPP? Benya Ghana na ye my MPP pacho. Onye institution. E ka institution obi a we living legacy for Ghana eno na me wi. Okay. Lawyer Ampa me amnua we de wan kasa yi. Me pato immediately go on the same platform na kase o na agrobi na wudi na ukọ hon ma wodi ahobrase enye na akọkọ trom law Ghana ni awhwe me an institution na me person ye protecting the chieftaincy institution and just one institution na se fi en sa Ghana boye otufo so de wo pe na asem o ukọ ba sa akutu na ni Monday chama Wuntumi kasase wo ye nyansani kasase wo ye chairman na ko wa de bi mo ho de a ene me pa cho MPP for say ne ye ba woro yensa eno an manosi
Mr. Bruce said na nuesi aniti asem na ye kan ye no kasa dodo man for montiness ye kasa tiawa ye ba hwese odi be chegen na da sene ehia so awe san so aka ye ho na aye kama aha too much yepe ene be ma information na etwagu e wo montino so ye fie mu ene akache ene de ye kopie mu e wo Asantehene mantem ye guso edua ye bro na aka ne mu be bibiara ufie ho no kra ente ye bedru ho no mense bi ekoso biara ye be ba ni aba be bo no tofam ni asen mogu ho na ye ma onsa akabi yakra
Dacia some aniti and Africmedia Wudibian. Ubehia, se ubetwa eho enfoni ade ato ho. Upage mekwa oye apabene the bano live streaming video coverage and now say pictures on ho. Enyo bibia city event masters. And internet say ye eyiyo, say your wedding, birthday parties, anniversaries, any nia ekeka ho ye Africmedia fashibia. To chiom o ma homa true for iso. 0594 603 869. Jometro akwaye. Ewa abeka La Paz. A free pipe quantum soa. Eye papa die. And no one city event masters.